Welcome to Brotuned, guys. Today we have a little video, 50 yards with my CZ 457 LRP with the IBI barrel, freshly cleaned Eley selection I've never seen before. Let's get to it. Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're shooting Eley rapid fire pistol ammunition. Still 10x. Let's see how it runs in this rifle with this barrel. I don't know, it says here round nose advanced recoil. So let's see how advanced the recoil is on this ammunition. Let's see if it'll shoot at 50 yards from a rifle as well. So we're starting off with a totally clean IBI barrel, and let's see what it'll do at 50 yards. So I'm gonna shoot 5 sighters just to see where I'm aiming or where the point of impact is. I'll make an adjustment, and then just like last week, we'll shoot 5 targets straight down, but I'll do 15 more foulers on the top target and then 4 or 5 shot groups on the way down. I wanted to shoot the other ammo that I shot last week side by side, but that's not the way it's going to work this week. So, weather today, it's about 85 degrees. It's pretty cool, but super humid. It just poured for the last basically 24 hours, so we just got drenched here. So it's super humid, but it's not scorcher hot like last time, because it honestly was no fun shooting at all. Like, I almost just wanted to quit and pack her in for the rest of the summer. Today seems all right. Sun's just starting to peek out now, so the temperature's gonna start shooting up, I'm assuming, and the humidity is gonna be ridiculous. But let's get to shooting. Let's see what we can do here. So I'm going to use a sighter target below the last week's sighter target. Elevation is pretty good. We're about 7/10 of a mil to the left. Okay, so I'll make my adjustment now. Move them right. Come down 1, and we'll start on target number 2 for 15 shots to get the fouling all done. The wind also, it's a little bit from right to left right now, but it's like 6 kilometers an hour, so it's like 3 miles an hour kind of thing. Nothing to really complain about, but it is moving it, and it gusts once in a while as well. But here we go. There's still a little bit left. Pull a couple more on. 10 more foulers, and then we'll do the groups. No, we're too far right. Gotta say, also compared to last week, This Eley ammo is running super smooth. The bolt is nice and light when I drop it. It's not like last week where I had to like actually drop the bolt. So far, this is looking pretty good downrange as well. But we won't know until we get our 4 or 5 shot groups in. So let's start that right away. First 5 shot group on target 7. First shot was very high, I don't know why. Looking like a 0.4 there. Other than that one, the first shot actually, it's looking pretty good. Next 5 shot group on target 12. That's a pretty good group as well. Group number 3 on target 17. I'm pretty impressed with this ammo so far. It is expensive. Same price as the regular Tenex, 25 bucks Canadian a box, but pretty good results. But I'd almost still give it to Lapua Cenerex. We saw that one video there when I did the 2 barrels side by side. Both barrels shot that stuff like really good. Like 0.3s, 0.2s every group pretty much. So yeah. And I think it's only $20 a box. Like I don't think it's 24. So it's a little bit cheaper as well. As far as I remember. Could be wrong. Alright. Group number 3, number 17. Oh no. Well, it's another little clover leaf there. It's always a good sign. Really appreciate it when ammo actually shoots well out of a rifle. It makes it worth buying. So, price is a bit steep, but it works pretty well. Group number 4, last but not least. Target number 22. Aha, I thought we were going for a 1-hole group there. Oh well. Can't win them all. So, would I buy this again? Possibly, if I won the lottery. But you can pretty much get 100 of these or 500 CCI center velocity. And plinking is fun. So, I don't know if I'd buy this again. I'm leaning more towards the SK Yellow, the Standard Plus. That stuff shoots really well as well. And it's $100 for a brick, $110 for a brick. So this is over double and a half the price. yeah, I think stick with the SK stuff. We're pretty solid, but this did very well too. We'll see the groups, or you already saw the groups, and I'll throw the magneto speed data up now. You all have a look at it, and hope you enjoyed the video again. Thanks for spending your time with me, watching my videos. Really appreciate it. I wish you all well, and have a great day. Take care, guys.